started performing here, my children were still in school. I wanted to get far enough away so I wouldn't embarrass my children. I used to play over there every night. More than 10 years I played over there for 6 hours every night. Every night, even if it was, I didn't care how hot it was or how cold it was. If the rain was heavy, I wouldn't play in the rain. But other than that, maybe I would miss 10 days a year or something like that. And after a while, my playing got better, my voice developed. And when I first started doing this, I didn't have a lot of songs that were really polished for doing this, maybe a dozen or so. I just started adding on to those dozen that I learned after I got my microphone. Well, I got a guitar for when I was 11 for Christmas.
11. Wow.
And I took guitar lessons for the first part of the following year. And I didn't like lessons. So I put my guitar away for 2 years. Then I went up to summer camp and somebody brought 2 records from Peter, Paul, and Mary, their corresponding music book. The guy that had it, he had a ukulele. So he was playing their songs with the ukulele. And that's how I couldn't wait to get home from summer camp to find my guitar that I had hidden in the closet someplace because I hadn't played it for 2 years. And that Peter, Paul, and Mary inspired me. It's in my blood. That's why I do this. I like Glendale. I used to drive a bus in Glendale. I used to sell real estate in Glendale. I'm familiar with the town. It's part of the community, yes. Things aren't just perfectly. Everything is just the way that it should be. Still, there are times when my heart feels like breaking, and anywhere is where I'd rather be. Oh, and in the nighttime, I know that it's the right time to hold you close and say I love you so. Have someone to share with, someone I can care with. That is why I wanted you to know. Well, they got a lot of people coming from outside the area too, from Los Angeles. You got Eagle Rock over here. You got the San Fernando Valley. You got Los Angeles. People come from here all over to shop here. A lot of people that thank me for being out here. They're happy that I'm here. They come and tell me that I'm part of their lives. They grew up listening to me out here. Like I say, I'm almost 20 years this November. Because when I started, I was 20 years younger. A lot of these young kids, I look the age of their fathers. A lot of kids don't like their fathers. Now that I'm 20 years older, I look like their grandparents, and most kids like their grandparents. And so it's been a lot easier now for me that very seldom do I have any problem. I used to have problems all the time with the kids. I used to play up at the corner there. Used to be a department store called Mervin's. And now it's Bloomingdale. They changed it. Mervin's closed, and now they have Bloomingdale's there, and I used to play in front of Mervin's. And then one of the managers here at the In-N-Out Burger invited me to come down here and play, and I was reluctant. I thought I'd try it. It's been pretty good. Yeah, I got to put up with that too. It's part of being a street performer. You got to put up with the sounds of the street. It's part of me. It's part of me. It's just, I've loved music since I was a toddler, since I was a baby. You follow your passion. That's the secret. That you lied straight-faced while I cried. Still I look to find a reason to believe. Thank you. Still I look to find a reason to believe. Still I look to find